Guys, how you can fix the iMessage getting stuck on verifying phone number or you're verifying your email ID. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is just go to your settings. After you do that, just scroll down and you'll find the apps section. Just tap on apps and search for messages. So after you find messages, just open it up and there you will see an option called iMessage. All you need to do is toggle this button off and toggle it on. After you do that, go to send and receive and check if it's still stuck, and if it is still stuck, what you need to do is just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, what you need to do is quickly press and release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and hold the side button. After you do that, hold it till you see the Apple logo appear, and after it does, you can just release it and your iPhone will restart. So after doing that, you can go back to your settings and just check if it's still stuck. And if it is still stuck, what you need to do is go back to your settings, go to general, and after you're on general, just scroll down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and you'll have to reset your network settings. So after you do that, you can go back to messages, toggle the button on and off of iMessage and just check if it's still stuck, and it should not be stuck and you should be good to go. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix iMessage getting stuck on verifying your phone number. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for